What's up, you guys? BigZ here. Date is June 30th, 2019, and time is 7:24 p.m. local time, and I'm at Times Square, 8th Avenue, 41st, West 41st Street, right here. Have a look. Look at that. Lots of people on the top. Yeah, so it's crazy, it's intense. Look, there's a cop behind me. There's like 4 or 5 cops in front of me. And yeah, I'm gonna head to Penn Station, meet up with Jesus Faiaz. Let's go do that. Penn Station, baby. Penn Station.
Hey yo, what the fuck is this guy doing?
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Current time is like 8:23 p.m. Saturday, oh no, Sunday, right?
It's Sunday.
Today is Sunday, and I have Jesus Faiaz over here. See? Yeah, Jesus Faiaz in the house. He's in New York City as well. He established his own church, Church of Jesus Faiaz, and he's trying to spread his religion over here. So he works right over there, the top of the penthouse up there, and he's making money.
He's just bullshitting right now.
No. That's what he does. Church of Jesus Faiaz over here. So, and he's having some shrimp here. Shrimp. Popeyes. So some cheap ass shrimp. He's bet on them like 5 times already.
His haircut.
Shut up. But hey, we're in this one, and this is, what's this place called again?
We're in the Highline.
We're in the Highline. Okay.
Sitting across the Hudson River.
Hudson River. Oh, that's the Hudson River right there. Oh, let me show it to you guys. This stuff. The Hudson River. That's the sunset right there. And they're gonna kick us out soon. That's what the girl said, right? What do you call it?
Yeah.
The staff, yeah, the staff said. And yeah, this view is lit, it's epic. And you see all the skyscrapers up top over here. See, it's crazy. And these are the old ass buildings here, like built in the freaking 1800s maybe. And that's what, Midtown or downtown here? What is it? Midtown? Uptown? Midtown. So that's Midtown right there. And this Highline is a park actually, eh? It is a park, right? Is it?
This is not a park, but there are parks in front of us.
Oh, okay. So there are parks out there. Well, by the river. So that's the Hudson River. That's the sunset. There's the people over here. Excuse me, and you can see the chopper there. Maybe Arnold Schwarzenegger's out there. But that's that. Yeah.
He's just rumbling right now. He's mouthing. Doesn't make sense when he talks.
Shut up. Shut up. Do you not get the reference? Get to the chopper by Arnold Schwarzenegger?
I don't.
You did not even see the Predator movie. Oh my God, this guy is trash, man. I'm telling you. His church is kind of going downhill, man. Church of Jesus Faiaz. I asked him to give me a link about his church and whatever. He doesn't have no link. Messed up, bro. You wanna say something? You wanna say something?
He always bullshits.
Always bullshit.
So I'm not sure what happened, but my camera died at that moment, right there, okay? What I think is that it was Jesus Faiaz who put a spell on my camera so that the battery died. It must have been him, otherwise I charged the battery in the morning, right? I charged it before heading off towards Jackson Heights, so something must have happened. It was, must have been Jesus Faiaz. God knows what kind of spell he put, but I'll ask him next time I see him, you know. It must be those Harry Potter spell or something. I don't even know, man. We'll ask him. We'll figure that out. So after that camera died, we were just chilling. We checked the sunset by the Hudson River, and we took the 7 train home. He went to Jackson Heights. I went back to Jamaica, and that was basically it. That was my last day at New York City. So that basically sums up my last evening in New York City. The next day I started my drive back to Canada. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. But big shout out to Jesus Faiaz. You are a legend, man. There is no question about it. With that being said, thank you very much for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe. BigZ out.